Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. Today we're going to be doing an Amazon unboxing haul. So everything is going to be opened right in front of you from the boxes. So without further ado, let us get started. And I just want to, on a quick note, let you know that if you enjoy hauls or any home videos, anything to do with home, whether it be gardening or decor or hauls, go ahead and hit subscribe. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. And oh, the sun is glaring in my glasses. I'll try not to go like this. Let's begin our Amazon haul unboxing. Let's start off with this box first, and let's go ahead and open it. They have not been opened yet, so we're going to go ahead and open them all. Let's see what Amazon brought us. Split it up the middle here. Okay, so boxes and boxes. We have. Let's see what is in them. The box in the box. Here's one, and then here, let's see if these are both, I think these are both the same, and I am being covered, these are everything's so big and clunky, and I'm taking the second one out. Okay, so, in this box, and the box is now empty. Oh, and my most bestest friend is looking at me. She is right here. She wants to jump up. She's not sure what to do. I wish I could. Let me see if I do this, if you guys can see her. Oh, never mind. She's going to jump. She's going to jump. Let's see. I'll move the scissors. Come on. Come on. I'll encourage her. There we go. There's the inspector. Here comes our box inspector. And now I'm going to put the actual box down on the ground. I wanted her to jump up so everyone could say hi and see her. But now, I put the box down on the ground and shoop, right into the box. I wonder if I do this, can you guys see her? I'm not sure if you can see her, but I hope you can. How adorable. And you see my arm is what you see. Look at our little friend. Okay, so let's see what was in that box. These were the string lights, the ultra long standby solar energy for outdoor use, the string lights. And we've got 2 boxes of those string lights like that. We'll open up one box so we can open them both up. Let's see how the string lights look. I love these for the backyard and or front yard, anywhere in the yard. These are nice because they're solar lights, and actually for solar lights they provide quite a bit of light. Oh, look at my hair over here. They provide a lot of light for solar. You wouldn't think, maybe you think it wouldn't be as bright, but they're pretty bright. Let's take out all these little things. Oh, I like that it comes with the ties. Those are really handy. And it comes with a remote, so you can program it. You can do it 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. Wow, that's pretty good. It has a timer. You can program it bright, soft, super bright, and look, it has different settings. Wow, that is pretty good. I'm going to just take that. I don't want, my friend loves to chew on wire, so I don't want her to see like a wire kind of part. Look how nice these are. These are really, really nice. Let's see if it tells you how many is in here. 54 feet. So it says 48 plus 6. Wow, that is nice. This is gonna be a nice set of lights out in the backyard. The Edison bulb with the remote. And I like these ties. Oh, she's looking right at she's up there looking at me. Very, very nice. We've got 2 boxes. So we can do a pretty good section of the backyard can be done with these lights. were on sale too. I think that's why we decided we would get. So let me, I'm going to scoot down and put these away. So excuse me for a minute. So for the outdoors, we got lights. Okay, ready for the next box? I'm hoisting it up. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh, it's heavier. Here it is. I got it. Ooh, this one is heavier. Let's open up this one. Let's see what we've got in here. Another, you see the little smiley Amazon. Smiley must be a pointy, an arrow that points up. Like a smiley face. Alright. Slew of things here. Okay. Oh no, it's the wrapping. That's just the wrapping. Okay. I'll throw that on the ground for now. Ooh, she's really looking. Oh! Okay. I think I got what these ones are. Are those the same? She ran off. She saw something outdoors and she ran off. I'm going to stand up for a minute so I can take those out of these. They pack them in here, I'm going to tell you. Oh, okay, look everyone. I think it's the same. These are 48. Yes, yep. 48 solar. The same. Sorry, they're being covered. See? The 48-foot solar. And let's see for this one here. I must have gotten 4 of those. So I said unboxing right in front together. So we're all seeing what I have gotten. Okay. That's the same one. Yeah, so these obviously were on sale. It's the same as this one. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten those. And then I was, yeah, 48. They certainly are. That's the 48 solar. Can't remember how much they were, but obviously they were a really good price. Pack of 4 to string the backyard, to have the whole area in the backyard, and possibly the front. That's what I was thinking too. So that's what I got on this. I still have one more box. Let's get to it. And this box, one for the cat, another one for the cat. There, she's going to have 2 boxes. And here I go. I've got to pick this one up. What's in here? Let's take a look and see what I can find in here. Is that this one? Put this over here and grab this box. I don't know. Let's take a look. An Amazon box, not the typical Amazon box. Let's take a look and see what this is. We're getting there. Let's keep going and see what I've got. Let's take all this bubble wrap out. And oh, I remember now. This is for the outdoors also. Put this here. A little packing slip. It didn't come in an Amazon box, but it is from Amazon. And it is, so just like a regular box. I'll put the box down here. This is a garden hose. It is one of those. Ooh, I'm going to open it so you guys can see. Those retractable hoses, which are really, they're really, really, really nice. It's actually one of the nicest hoses that you could get. Look at it. It comes in a nice bag. Upside down. And what I really like about this kind of a hose is it's not only does it stretch really long, but when you're done with it and the water starts coming out, it retracts back in. It's almost like, what's moving in the bushes? But it's the hose going back in, making itself smaller. But when you need a lot of the hose, it does the trick. It's really there for you. I don't know if you can see it. This one has got a little bit of orange. Let's open it up. Oh, I love this one. telling you, these are the best hoses. If you haven't tried it, I would recommend you try. There's that. Instructions. Read instructions. Expandable garden hose. It expands 3 times and contracts by itself with running water or not. That's true. It's lightweight, kink-free, and easy for storage. Thanks for purchasing. Blah blah blah. But oh my goodness, there's some. There's some like little instructions there. But wow, I absolutely, and just look at that. That's the look. It's not like your typical one that's gonna get a little kink in it and then the water stops running. This is an actually very, very, very nice hose, and I already have the attachments for it. I have attachments for it, so I didn't need that. And look, it comes in like a nice little bag. So this is very nice. This is going to be getting installed quite soon. So I hope everyone has enjoyed my Amazon, and well, this was from Amazon, but not in the Amazon box. My Amazon unboxing, opening up, seeing what everything is. And once again, if you have, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time, ding ding ding, when a new video posts. And go ahead and hit the like on the video. So everyone have a wonderful, wonderful day, and everyone stay well. Bye, everyone.